Today we know about Gautam Buddha's life. Why did Gautam Buddha refuse to believe in God? So let's start the story. Friends, this question must have come in our mind at some point or the other whether God exists or not. So let us know through today's story why Buddha said that God does not exist. Friends, Gautam Buddha had brought a revolution in human life through his sermons during his lifetime, and we also know that the key to the art of living is hidden in the word of Gautam Buddha. We can learn a lot from the event that happened in his life. Today, I will tell you about one such incident. During the time of Gautam Buddha, a question was often asked to him, whether there is God or not, and every time Gautam Buddha used to give a different answer. The question asked about God is a puzzle. Even today and in Buddha's time too it was a puzzle. People such asked this question to Gautam Buddha many times, but Buddha never answered it correctly. Did not answer. Once upon a time, a wise Pandit used to come to listen to the sermon of Gautam Buddha, and that Pandit also agreed with him. He believed that Gautam Buddha was a wise man. Once Buddha was sitting in meditation posture, and that person come near him, went and asked him, Buddha, please tell me whether God exists or not. I request you to give me the correct answer to my question. It is said about Buddha that he never gave a direct answer to any question. Every question of his was full of mysteries. The knowledgeable Pandit said that I want to know from you about God, whether God exists or not. Gautam Buddha smiled after listening to him and then said to the Pandit, Okay. Gautam Buddha said that I will definitely answer your question, but before that, please answer some of my questions. The Pandit said, I will definitely answer your question. You please ask a question. Gautam Buddha said, do you believe in the sun? The Pandit looked at the Mercury and said, what kind of question is this? I am a small child. You are asking me a childish question. The sun appears in the shadow and gives light to the whole world. Every living being on earth gets energy from the God. We see the sun every day. Buddha told him, said that, where did the question about the existence of God come from? Because as the sun is in the front of us, there is no question of his existence. Then, why did the question arise for God? What is the need to believe in the God? This means that somewhere in your mind there is doubt about God because God is not in front of you like the sun. You have set off to find God and your intellect, and the intellect believe only those things which are visible in front of it gives, and God will never be visible to you in front of you. If sins, he will not be the God. Gautam Buddha said that whether you believe in God or not is actually a wrong question, and how can the right answer to give to the wrong question? Therefore, if this wrong question is asked and if someone gives an answer, then that answer will also be as wrong as the question. The Pandit became a little confused and listened to the Buddha. He said, Buddha, what kind of this are you talking about? I am not able to understand anything. Buddha said, if I tell you in the simple word, it means that I do not believe in the God but can be no. If you had asked me this question that I want to know God, then I could have helped you and day you will be no God. You will never be able to explain that God directly, but will definitely help people to test the darshan of God. You can do it. You can never give up your experience to anyone. But you can definitely help someone to experience it. Friends, you must have heard so many stories of Gautam Buddha's life. There, you must have seen that Buddha never spoke clearly about God, and because of these, many times fingers are pointed at Buddha. Uthi people even said that Mercury did not know anything because Mercury never answered such questions properly. Gautam Buddha always avoided such questions because no answer can be given in relation to God and the soul, and even if ever he had to give it, he used to try to explain it through an example. Because the relationship between God and the soul is no answer can be given. It is not possible. It is impossible. And I believe that the Buddha was truly enlightened. He experienced God, and no one who has this experience ever talk about God or about enlightenment directly. He interrupt your question because he want you to test it for yourself. Gautam Buddha never made the mistake that some of today religious leaders are making, which means that all the wise men who explained about God, their followers accepted that what their religious leader and about God, and you created your own separate communities, and then you see what happened on the basis of the authenticity given by those gurus. Today, all those communities are roaming around as enemies of each other, and with the help of weapons, they want to prove that my guru is right. My God is right. They say that you are your God. Give up and believe in our God, because our God is truth always. If a person give a direct explanation of God, then the crowd of followers will accept his words, and that too will never experience God. That crowd will only read the books based on what you say. She will write and walk with a sword in her hand. That way will expand our community and expand our religion. Will spread propaganda. Perhaps Buddha knew this. That is why he denied the existence of God many times, so that your thirst can become deeper and you become desperate to know him. If Buddha speaks directly about God, then the crowd will easily agree with them, and just like that, he will have given birth to many gods and goddesses on the earth. It seems that God has not created man, but man created God. So friends, what lesson we get from the story of Gautam Buddha? That God should not be believed, but should be known and experienced. There is only one way to know God, and that is meditation. The deeper you go in meditation, the more you will be closer to God. Experience will continue and you will get answer to your all questions. Thank you.